Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all your continuous love and support. Your girl truly does appreciate it. If you are new here to my channel, welcome, and what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the little subscribe button along with the post notification bell, which is literally the little bell looking thing next to subscribe, just so you can be part of the familia over here. I usually do post an occasional vlog, beauty, self-care, and lifestyle content, so if you're interested in any of that, of course, feel free to join. Also, like always, I do want to send my love and positive vibes and love, prayers, blessings, all that good stuff, all that good energy to each and every single one of you guys out there. I hope that everybody is staying healthy and safe as much as possible during these times and during all the time. But anyway, all right, so let's go right into this one. I did do last month, for some of you guys who do follow my channel, I did a TheraBox subscription unboxing. That was the first time I ever did it, and I actually really enjoyed the box. So if you don't know what TheraBox is, it is basically a monthly self-care subscription that is curated by therapists. And in this box, it's supposed to have over $100 worth of self-care, relaxation products, and even some activities that you could do throughout your time, just to kind of give you like that good zen positive vibe and feeling, which is always good because at the end of the day, you do have to take care of you, yourself, your mental, your physical, all that good stuff. So I love the concept of this box. The box does retail at $34.99. Like I said, it is a monthly subscription, but I believe that they do have plans for like 1, 3, 6, and 12 months. And so the longer you sign up, the less the box will be. So overall, it's not a bad deal. If you do want to check out last month, I will post that somewhere up here so you guys can take a look at it. If not, let's just jump straight into this one. Like last month was the first time I did it, and it was the same exact box. I know sometimes like FabFitFun, they change up their box and everything like that. It looks like it's the same box right here. It's like a lavender pretty color. It says TheraBox, ingredients to happiness. And on the back, it says self-care is giving the world the best of you instead of what's left of you. So that's super cute. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, and when you do open it up, it comes with a little catalog, which usually tells you all the stuff that you're going to get in there with the price and what it's for. This is kind of cute. Obviously, it is a fall box. And here it tells you, to treat yourself if you want to post on social media, any of that good stuff. The wrapping is like that. I'm going to go ahead and break that little seal. And I'm just going to kind of go through all the products, see what they're about, and also tell you guys the price point. And at the end, I will add everything up and let you guys know what it retails, like the whole box retails at. All right, so starting right here, the first thing I see, I have no idea what this is. It says TheraBox ingredients to happiness, and it says unplug. It's a 30-day digital detox challenge. Wow, it's kind of cool. This is what it looks like. All right, let me see if it tells us anything about how much this one is. Okay, so it is like I said, a digital detox card deck, and it's $15.99. So basically, from what I'm getting out of this, hold on, let me read a little bit and now I'll tell you guys what it's about. All right, it's pretty cool, guys. So basically, it's a 30-day digital detox challenge, and it talks about how a lot of people spend some time, obviously, on social media and everything like that. So this is a good way and a challenge for yourself to basically give yourself a mental cleanse, and it frees you up from technology, giving you a lot of mental space that you didn't know you were losing. So I'm gonna open that up in a second. Also, just a little FYI, in the beginning of the catalog, it does give you little, some inspo for the pumpkin fall festival, and it just kind of talks about the fall. It's really cute. So anyway, all right, so let's go ahead and open this and see how it is. So it actually literally is like a deck of cards, and as you can see, it'll be like day 1, day 2, day 3, and each one I guess has a specific challenge. For instance, day 1 says make your room a tech-free zone for 24 hours. So it's literally like a little card game, which is super dope. I'm assuming that you do have to follow it in order, and it goes all the way up to day 30th. In which it kind of tells you, oh my god, it actually gives you like a really nice challenge for you to spend with your family, your friends, and I don't know, this is actually really, really cool. Let's go ahead and pick another one just to kind of get an example of what it is. So like day 5, it tells you it's a cleaning party, create a playlist using an analog radio or your phone, but remember, no looking, peeking, or changing the song once the music starts. Let it play, let it go, do the laundry, wipe off the dust on the tables, load and upload the dishwasher. It's up to you. So basically, it's just little things to, I guess, be happier, and I don't know, I really like this. This is definitely different. I've never heard anything like that before, so I'll go ahead and put that off to the side. Moving on here, I can see that there is, it looks like a lip balm or something like that. This is from the brand Portland Bee Balm. Okay, and this one retails at $2.99 and it's an Oregon mint balm. So, oops, sorry. Packaging is actually really nice. It almost feels like a little texture here. It feels like hemp or something like that. But it basically just talks about how your lips are very delicate on your body, and this really helps you, I guess, moisten that up, and it prevents cracking and drying out. Has like really good healthy ingredients. Let me go see. I can smell the minty flavor. Okay, so it kind of reminds me of like the Burt's Bee, I forgot what it's called, something like that. All right, smells a little minty. I already had lipstick on, so it kind of like probably isn't the best idea, but I do want to feel it for you guys and see. Let's go. All right, yeah, you can't really see it right now. That's probably just a mixture. So it's definitely a clear balm. It has a really nice menthol smell and taste, and it's not too tacky. It's actually pretty nice. It says that it's handmade with love in Southeast Portland. Oh, that's kind of cool. And it's a 1% for the planet. This has supporting urban bees and their keepers. So it has Pacific new beeswax, organic cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil, virgin olive oil, and Oregon peppermint essential oil. So it does definitely have like the little smell of essential oil, but it smells amazing. I really, really like that, so I'm excited for that. Moving on over here, we have something by the brand Vadam Superfoods, and it says it's a recover active turmeric with green tea extracts. It looks like it is some tea, guys. So this is, hopefully that's gonna focus. There it is. All right, and this one retails at $19.99, and basically it's a detox to recover and restore your body this season with one-of-a-kind holistic tea blend. It is a nice detox blend that's going to help restore sore muscles after a workout, increase energy, and all that good stuff. So let me just go ahead and open it up. I think it comes with 10 single serve packets. All right. Smells actually kind of good through the wrapper, but this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna open it because obviously it's probably just like a little tea bag. So it just tells you how to, if you can either, you can either have it, you can drink it either hot or iced. And it also says that 1% of the revenue is directed towards the education of our growers' children in India. So one of the things that I really like about this box is that it's not your usual just a beauty, self-care kind of skincare subscription box. It actually reaches out. It's more holistic. It seems like it's more of a good cause, which I really appreciate. So it's definitely something that I like a lot. Ooh, oh my God, I'm so excited for this already. So the brand of this is called Amina. I'm sorry if I'm butchering some of these names. I really haven't heard of a lot of these, which like I said is something that I do like. This one retails at $19.99, and off top, all I see is that it says it's a pumpkin spice whipped soap. You can see the color on it. It almost looks like not a tie-dye, but an ombre. It starts from like lighter all the way to darker orange. It's definitely that whipped kind of consistency from what it looks like. And let's see, it just talks about how pumpkins are sort of like ambassadors for the fall and for the whole ultimate season experience. So basically this is an autumn staple into your shower, and it's made with a luscious combination of ultra moisturizing shea butter, coconut oil, and real 24K gold dust that works as a cleanser and moisturizer all in one. Okay, that sounds freaking awesome. Oh, guys, yo, this is insane. It looks really cool. It looks like it has like a little sprinkle. Hopefully this focuses. Come on, focus. It looks like it has a little sprinkle of gold specks right there. It's really aesthetically pleasing, and it smells like pumpkin, fall, I don't know, everything all mixed together. This smells amazing. It's definitely like a whipped consistency. Let me go ahead and just put some here. It smells like cinnamon too. It's like pumpkin and cinnamon mixed together. This is bomb. I really, really, really like this a lot. I know I'm gonna get some good use out of it, and I am a sucker for the fall, so this is definitely something that I like. I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side. Moving on here. Okay, vamos a ver qué es esto. This says, let me find it in the book first because I have no idea what it is. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and look for this here. I guess it's just worded differently on here than it is on here, but it is by the brand Willow Collective, and it says it's 4 tea lights. So that is what the packaging looks like. All right, ooh, que rico. So this is called Autumn Stroll, and it's 4 wax melts. Oh, I know what this is. It's like, you know, I mean, like they heat up. It's instead of a candle, it's basically a wax, kind of like a candle, and you put it over something very hot, and it kind of melts, and it gives the aroma of whatever it is. This smells amazing. Smells like fall, autumn, pumpkin, and orange mixed together. If you can see, there's like 4 little things. You actually like not mash them, you actually cut them open or apart. And then I'm assuming that this has to be something that goes with it. Let's see. I thought it was gonna be like something different to kind of heat them up to give the aroma, but in this little box, there was 4 little, like tiny little candles like that. All right. And this has more like a peppermint smell. So definitely holiday-esque, which is nice. I'm gonna move that to the side and I'll get back to the price point on that because I have a feeling that this is why I couldn't find it on the paper, because it's called Autumn Stroll and it actually matches, that makes sense, it's 2 different packages. It matches the candles right here, the little wax. So this one now, I can tell you guys, the whole thing as a collective is called Willow Collective Autumn Stroll Soy Candle and Wax Melt Set, and it retails at $29.99. So yeah, basically that's exactly what it talks about. It's how it's therapeutic, and it basically, the wax melts on the tea light candle. So this is probably going to be a little candle or something that's going to heat up the wax. The packaging is beautiful. Look at that. Here we go. Okay, so what I think is that now you take this here. Look at that, guys. It's like a little gold thing. Let me set this up. All right, so this is what we do. So this is the little stand that comes with this. You put that right there. Now the little candle, it goes down here. So once you light that up, it's obviously gonna divert right over here. It's gonna heat it up, and on top of that is where you put the little wax thing, and it's gonna be smelling amazing. Which is funny though, because this one has a light scent. It smells like, or you know what, it could be the lip balm. Shoot, maybe it is the lip balm, but I feel like it smells like a tiny bit of something. I absolutely love this, guys. This is super, super freaking cute. Yeah, and what else does it say? It's the perfect mood setter. All right, cool. But anyway, that's really, really nice. I've never gotten anything like that in any of my subscription boxes, so it's definitely something to consider when you're looking into getting a box like this one. All right, next over here, we have something by the brand Way of Will, and it's the Soothe and Cool Massage Oil. It retails at $29.50, and basically this is for sore muscles. It gives you cooling and restorative beneficial oils to help soothe aches, pains, and muscle discomfort. Basically, yeah, it gives you a little bit of peppermint oil, energy, and mental focus. I feel like a lot of the stuff that comes in these boxes is kind of like essential oil related, or at least with the aromas, it has some kind of smell that reminds you of essential oils. It's kind of cool. This one has a little 50% off in the box, and looks like drops. That's what it looks like. This is what the packaging is. It's like a little yellow liquid. Let's go ahead and see what it is. It says active oil plus vitamin E, and it's a natural oil. Soothe and cool peppermint and German chamomile. All right, let me go ahead and put some right over here. Alright, yeah, it just feels like a little oil, kind of like a serum base. It's not too tacky, not very thick. And it smells, you know what? Not my preference of a smell. It reminds me of like candy, like I don't know. It's a little strong actually for my taste, but it's not bad. Definitely smells, yeah, it definitely smells holiday-ish, but it's a different type of smell, and it, like I said, it's not too tacky. And I know that this is definitely gonna be leaving your skin nice because I can already feel it. Maybe it's like the vitamin E or something. It almost feels like it looks like it's a little bit glossier. I don't know. I feel like the smell will probably start to die down after a little while. At first, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little like, whoa. But I really like the way it feels on my skin. So I don't know. We'll see what happens after I try it some more times. Okay, last but not least in the box, it looks like I have something here by the brand Viola Van. And this says it's a, what the heck? Oh my gosh. It says it's a facial cupping set. This retails at $19.99, and it says that it's a cup set of 3 that will help you get the ultimate self-care moment you need. I've never done any kind of cupping anything, so that's what the packaging looks like. It's actually super cute. It just reminds me of something, I don't know. All right, so this is what the packaging is. I have heard of cupping for like cellulite and circulation. People do it like on their legs and on their back, and I think like after cosmetic surgery, I want to say people do these type of things. But I also have heard good things that it's supposed to like be good for your skin. If anybody knows anything about this, please let me know, because I don't know much about it, but this is what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of those Diva cups, which I've never used, but I've seen what they look like. I think they're like the period cups, like the menstrual cups. That's what it reminds me of, guys. I have no idea. But let me go ahead and read a little bit on it so you guys can know. All right. It says, facial cupping is one of the oldest well-kept secrets of Chinese acupuncture therapists. It is known to help prevent early aging and wrinkles, relaxes and relieves headaches and migraines, and it's also one of the best natural facial rejuvenation treatments. So I don't know if it actually tells you how to do it. Okay, so Just so you know, if you do try it, you're supposed to use it on a clean face, apply your favorite facial oil or serum. Oh, and it even says the essential rose face oil included in this box, so the one that smells a little strong right here, is a good way to actually use it. And it says the suction cup up to your face, begin gliding the facial cup in an outward, so probably like this, motion across your face for at least 10 to 15 minutes daily. Wow. Of course, if you get any kind of bruising can occur, but if you get any irritations or like a lot of bruising, obviously make sure you stop. But you can always watch a YouTube tutorial, I guess, on how to do facial cupping. But like I said, I have heard good things about these for your body. I never heard on your face, but I mean, they have a really little one, so obviously to get like those little delicate sides, I guess that'd be kind of cool. I'm not opposed to trying this. If you guys want to see me do any kind of tutorial or first time trying cupping, let me know, because it's kind of cool. Alright guys, that is all that is in this box. And oh, no mentira, I'm lying. There's one more. Oh shoot. Okay, so the serum that I tried on before is not the one that they recommend with the cupping. It's actually this one. So this one is called Essential Rose, and it's rose gold face oil. It retails at $48, and this one is supposed to be for drying, to avoid dry skin. It's supposed to, let me see, rose is a liquid gold miracle that moisturizes, repairs, and regenerates the skin. So this is the oil, guys, not the other one. The other one, it is an oil as well, but I guess this is the one for your face. All right, cool, good to know. Let's go see. This is what the packaging looks like. Ooh, eso huele rico. It smells like flowers. And usually I don't like the flower smells. I love flowers, but not flower smells. But this is very, very nice. Okay. Very, very thin. I can definitely tell that this one would be nice for your face. You can't even see it. It's completely clear. So that one is the one. So don't go on and be putting this one on your face like that. This is the one that they recommend with the cupping. But it's really nice. Not too bad. It talks about, okay, it actually says to massage a dime-sized amount of oil in a circular motion into damp face and neck as you recite the mantra. Oh boy. Rub into chest and heart center. Use twice daily at morning and at night, or throughout the day for dry skin. And this is supposed to promote youthful, glowing skin and soothe emotions. Well, damn. They're really claiming a whole lot. It is $48, so you never know. All right, now we are officially done with this box. Let me go ahead and add everything up, and I will be right back. All right, I am back, and it looks like the whopping total of the whole entire box is $186.44. I think it's a great deal. I mean, obviously, like I said, I did pay $34.99 for the month, although I think I paid a little bit less because I signed up for more months. I think I paid like 30 bucks for the month. And I just really, really enjoy this box. It's definitely something different. It's not your typical skincare, you're not your typical beauty box. This is definitely different. It's very holistic. I love the concept behind it. These cards alone are so creative. The little wax thing, this is so freaking cool. Honestly, I really, really, really like this box. I actually even like this one more than last month's, to tell you the truth. I just think this one really gives me like that fall vibe. Then again, you know, it is fall, so it makes sense though. All right, let me know what you guys think though. If you are wanting me to keep trying it and to keep showing you guys the videos, of course, let me know down in the comment box. Let me know what your favorite item was. And please, if anybody's done any kind of cupping, give your girl some tips, because I would love to try it out. And I would even like to try it out on camera. So of course, let your girl know. Once again, thank you guys so much for all the continuous love and support. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My thing is Jesselyn_33. I will link it right down here. Thank you guys so much. Muchísimas gracias. Mwah. Love you guys. Ciao.